Today we're going to really set off the front of this 2017 EcoBoost Mustang with a set of custom LED marker lights. These custom marker lights will add a really cool custom touch to your S550 Mustang. They're going to be a direct replacement for the factory marker lights on all 2015 through 2017 models, along with the 2018 through 2020 GT350 and 350R. They're going to replace your marker light and feature bright white LEDs, but also a switchback option to switch it to a bright amber. When you turn on your turn signal, you get a sequential just like your taillights. Now again, these are for US-Spec Mustangs only and installed with no cutting or splicing. For this installation, you need a 1/4 inch ratchet, 12-inch extension, 7mm socket, and a small flathead screwdriver. Now to begin the installation, obviously we have to remove our factory marker lights. And the marker light is attached to a bracket that actually encompasses the fog light as well. So to remove this, you have to get inside the wheel well. Now in our case, we're going to pop the wheel off and put it up in the air so you can see what we're doing. You can actually do this on the ground. If you just turn the wheel all the way, there is enough access, but we won't be able to show you what we're doing. So in our case, again, we have the wheel off, but it is not necessary. So we have to pull back this splash shield to get to the marker light assembly. There's 2 clips here that connect to the belly pan and 3 more up here. You can reach up in here, basically pull off all these plugs. Now we're going to remove 6 screws, 2 on the end, 2 in the middle, and 2 down there. That'll allow us to remove the housing. I'll just pop a couple clips in here and remove the housing. All right, the housing on the table. To remove the marker light, remove these 3 screws. All right, now grab our new marker light assembly, pull this socket off. Bulb. Now remove this plug here. We're gonna remove the bulb again. In this case, there is nothing to plug in, so put this in here. Fish the plug through. Now we can install this in the housing. I'm going to plug in this little control box here. We'll mount this in the car. You don't want to mount this to the plastic or tape or anything because this will get hot. We're going to mount it to the metal frame inside. Put the housing back up in place. Line up all the little plastic tabs. Now we'll reinstall all the screws we removed earlier. In order to use the provided metal zip tie, and zip tie this to the frame over here. And don't forget to plug everything back in. Before we put it back together, we're going to check, make sure everything works, make sure our plug is in tight. Easy to do is grab your key fob, hit arm. You'll see the orange will actually sequence. We'll hit unlock now. You'll get the amber and then it'll light up white. Again, it gives you like another additional DRL. Now we'll hit the hazards quick to make sure that the sequencing works properly for turn signals. Okay, everything is good. We can reinstall our plastic push pins and repeat the process on the other side. These custom marker lights will really add a nice cool touch to the front of your S550 Mustang. You get the benefit of the switchback, so you get a nice bright white DRL during the day, and of course the turn signals with the Sequential look absolutely killer and match the taillights. As far as the installation goes, like I said, no cutting, but give yourself about 2 hours, be back on the road in no time.